Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to show you guys how I set up my week in my new Peanut Planet Co. inserts that I'm using for the next quarter. They are DR 135. This is me showing my last week, my week 14, which was super duper productive for me. And sorry guys, you missed the setup of my week on one page in the first couple days because my camera died on me and didn't let me know. But anyway, with these new inserts, I have 2 days per page, so I think they take up 3 or 4 sheets of paper. I want to go with 3 for a week. And if you've seen my previous videos, you will notice my natural progression to this, because last quarter I just had blank grid sheets and I used them for my days, weeks, whatever you want to call it, as I needed them. So maybe one day needed a whole page, maybe I ended up with 2 or 3 days on one page. But as the months kept going, I just naturally progressed to putting 2 days per one side of the page. So I technically, one page had 4 days, and I'd have a space for Saturday, and the one below it would end up being my pre-plan section for the next week. So these inserts are basically what I'm just keeping that going with this quarter, since that seems to be my natural state when it comes to planning in my Discbound lately, to 4 days per page technically, if you include the front and back. But yeah, so the stickers I'm using here are leftovers from the kit I used last week in my Erin Condren. And since they're printables from Plan for Happy, they're called Spring Florals. And I, tried my hand at foiling for a kit for the first time, and that was an experience I don't think I want to go through again. There's an extreme learning curve apparently when it comes to aligning your printed stickers when you print them out on inkjet first, and then aligning it perfectly in your laser printer, because the laser ink is what the foil is going to stick to. And they were just a little bit off, but not off to the point where you couldn't notice. And then apparently there's some trick to, using your laminator as a foiling machine, because some of them foiled perfectly and some of them were splotchy in places where you can just see the ink. Like it was patchy. And I was just like, I don't even care. It still looks pretty. I'm going to use it. Blah, blah, blah. Yakety smackety. My usual diatribe about using things I spend money on. But yeah, so let's get back to, this video, planning my week, shall we? So my meal plan for this week is empty because I didn't have any ideas at the time, but I signed up for a 14-day trial of e-meals, so I'm going to give that a shot, and hopefully that'll give me some ideas for things to cook, because I'm tired of the same stuff. I'm also going to try and keep up with my Miracle Morning and reading my book of the month, which is The Secrets of Happy Families. The first 3 chapters are really intriguing, so I can't wait to read the rest of it. Also, this week it's going to be a lot of prep for my spring setup, like my cover and things. I'm sewing a new one, and I can't wait to show you guys that. And I'm going to try and decorate more. Last quarter was all about keeping it simple. This quarter I think I can add some decorative elements. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try and give it a shot. It depends on, how busy I am. And I'm pretty busy as usual. But yeah, those are some of the major things that are happening. I'm supposed to be trying to test out going live on YouTube, because when I set up my spring setup, I actually want to show you guys that, live, and interact with you and have a conversation. I think that could be really fun. I'm also going to try and deep dive into my analytics and see exactly what content you guys like. I mean, if you guys have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. But hopefully looking at my analytics will help me distinguish what content from me you guys are most interested in. I also have my monthly weigh-in this week. I'm not really excited about that. Not because I feel like I've gained, I feel like I haven't lost. I'm pretty sure I've plateaued. So, yeah, I hate weigh-in day. Like, seriously. And then Saturday, I have another local planner meetup, which is awesome. This will be our second one, so maybe I'll have another story to share with you guys. But yeah, so this is what my week turned out looking like. See? Empty meal plan. I don't know. We'll see. I'm really liking these inserts so far. I'm really loving the checklist side with the grid side, especially since my style has turned into functional with a dash of, decorative, because I like using my stickers. And then the back side here I just use for notes because those would have been extra days. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. It's down there, I promise. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing and joining me. Until next time, thank you for joining me. That was kind of redundant, right? But anyway, bye.